We have with us Subramanian Swamy with a very, very historic judgment that the Supreme Court has passed. Mr. Swamy, what does it mean in terms of for the government and especially the Prime Minister's office?
The government cannot fool around anymore. The Prime Minister has to learn law. He cannot send it to his officers and officers tell him any bunkum shankam. He cannot just swallow it. This is what has happened in this case. He sent it to his officers who said you don't have to reply to Swamy. And
no, but you're blaming his officers. You will agree that any case that is concerned, the Prime Minister always says I should be kept at arm's length. That has been the mantra of the Prime Minister. So instead of his officers, do you think the Prime Minister should now be taking responsibility?
Prime Minister's knowledge of law is a little better than his successors who are being projected in the media. And therefore, I would say that I still like to be with this Prime Minister as long as this government remains. But it's an ignorant government, it's a corrupt government, and therefore what the Supreme Court has done is tied their hands to such a point that they cannot delay on corruption cases.
How does this affect future cases, not just say, people who are trying to seek sanction from the courts or from the government? What does it mean for justice in the future and for the common man who is trying to get justice and, fight corruption?
Supposing the common man wants an inquiry done, presently he is blocked by the fact that he doesn't have sanction. Tomorrow, now Justice Ganguly has made it very clear that you can, and this is not an observation, this is an interpretation of law. He said anyone can approach a court, that's his constitutional right, and he can get an inquiry done. It's not necessary to have sanction before conducting an inquiry.
The fact is that in the next few days, before the 2nd of February when Justice Ganguly retires, there are going to be 3 more major judgments that the Supreme Court is going to be passing.
Yes.
Just tell us about these first, and B, what does it mean in terms for the government?
Well, one is the question of cancelling of all licenses and re-auctioning them. The second is as far as I am concerned, the prayer for CBI inquiry against Mr. Chidambaram. These two will naturally mean that the government is in a big soup. And I don't think that there is anything wrong with that. The Prime Minister will get an opportunity to clean up. For once, he will have a chance to redeem his reputation, and this is the court may just provide him that opportunity.